Welcome to our fourth in the series of top rewind location videos we have produced, where we look back at our Ireland series in a quick and easy short format video, so it's hopefully easy for you to view. We reflect on areas that we have travelled in our 9-week trip of Ireland and try to pick out our top 3 locations, and that has not been easy. Hopefully these may be a consideration for an upcoming trip you may have, and if not, maybe just a few minutes for you simply to sit back, enjoy a collage of memories that Ireland continuously delivered to us. The locations have been chosen maybe for a simple view, or a walk, or a place of interest that has simply invoked an emotion and a memory for us. This top 3 location video focuses on the middle BEARA Peninsula out of the 5 in the southwest of Ireland.
Now, we spent several nights with Harry, our campervan, on the BEARA Peninsula. So our top 3 locations in this area for you to consider are as follows. Number 1 is in fact not on the coast, but on a long twisty drive up and down the Healy Pass. Now, the pass allows you to traverse from the south to the north coast of the peninsula if that's what you want to do. We went up and down the pass over 2 nights, having had an overnight stop in the Glanmore Lake area. The pass has plenty of horseshoe-type bends as you make your way through, and with its high elevation you get a glimpse of the views on both sides of the peninsula. And Harry, of course, got himself a little excited driving the twisty roads.
And it's lights out and we all go, go, go!
The number 2 spot has to be the village of Allahees and its stunning beach. Now, even if it's in or out of season, the village with its local history or its breathtaking beach, you will find something that will keep you occupied. And this area is absolutely dripping in history. You can learn about the copper mining activity in the area that employed hundreds of people in its heyday. And the small but yet again well thought out museum in the village tells you of the mining and the families' lives that used to live here. And the cafe is well worth a visit for a cake or two to ensure that you get that treat for the day. The village is traditionally colourful, like many towns and villages throughout Ireland. And as usual, you'll find a small selection of shops and bars. And the beach will bring out the child in you as you want to paddle in the sea and the river that flows into it. And if you wish to stay, there's a campsite right on the edge of the beach which is conveniently placed. And you could easily stay a couple of nights at this location. And our final number 3 location is in fact Helen's Bar on the north side of the peninsula. Now, this serves great down-to-earth food, and it can all be washed down with a Guinness should you choose it. And it's one of those bars that allows you to glimpse into local living. So stopping for a lunch or an evening meal is highly recommended. And Stu can personally vouch for the mussels and, of course, the Guinness. So that's our top 3 locations to consider around the BEARA Peninsula.
So do you agree with our top 3? Or are there other gems we should have added or indeed missed completely that's in your top 3? Drop them in the comments as we may look at them when we return to Ireland.